is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. If you guys are new, my name is Mike. So today we finally are gonna pick up Ariana. I made it quick and easy for you guys. I already got the insurance, so we're all good to go there. And of course the van is completely out of gas, so we are just getting gas right now. And then we're gonna be driving all the way to pick up Ariana, which I'm so pumped for. I don't really know what else we're gonna do today. Maybe I'm gonna meet up, see if there's a car meet around. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pick up the Evo, and I'm so pumped for it. I haven't driven it in months, so I'm gonna see you guys there. She's so loud. Oh, she started right up, boys. She's ready. Ariana is finally back, and apparently I'm a straight retard because my dad told me to tape it like this so the clock spring actually moves with the steering wheel. It's a little bit off, but at least we know more or less it's gonna be like this. I'm not too sure how it works, but my dad said this is okay. The way I originally taped it is kind of not good. Oh my god. Oh, this is terrible. Oh, there's a car behind me too. Oh, I'm gonna need a cleaner anyway, so. Boys, listen to this. Oh, baby! Oh, I missed this car. There goes all my lights on my dash, but oh my god, I missed this car so much. Oh, baby. Yes, I have all the service required on now. Guys, this car is so sketchy right now. I have no hood on. The AYC, like the all-wheel drive thing, is kind of sketching out because my steering wheel doesn't have the setting anymore. This is just a temporary fix, but I'm getting way too much looks for what I really want right now because I don't want to get pulled over. I don't know if it's illegal to drive your car without a hood on. I don't think it is, but I don't want to... Dude, they're straight up giving me a thumbs up. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love this car. They're straight up staring at me. Guys, the car is in pieces. I still need to put my hood on. Oh, but downshifts for days though. Oh, baby. Oh my god. Oh my god. With this car. Oh my god. I don't think the steering wheel is straight even. I think I put it on sideways. I doubt it's my alignment because it's good. Guys, I'm sorry. This is just gonna be a video of me freaking out that I'm driving my car again. Surprisingly, my check engine light still isn't on, but every other light is. Okay, not every other light, but I mean like usually my check engine light's on because of my exhaust. If you guys are new to the channel, I don't have a cat in this car. So I'm surprised the check engine light still isn't on. I have my hood closed thing, but I don't have a hood, so I can't close the hood. And I forgot how loud it is in here and how much this car sucks to vlog in. There is so much noise. But I mean, I'm not complaining, am I? Oh my god! I love this car! Oh god, a puddle. Oh jeez, oh jeez. Okay, swerving. And thank god past Mike left some fuel for future Mike, so I'm pretty happy about that. I don't need to fill up yet. Oh. Well, straight up, my wheel and everything here is dirty. Whole car is so dusty. Like, ugh. I drove over that. That's just gross. At least now we can put on the hood, which is just downstairs in the basement. And we can put on all the dress-up bolts like this for this carbon fiber piece. And the blow-off valve is extra loud today because there's no hood, but I'm sure you guys heard that. So we're gonna go ahead and install the hood and the carbon fiber cooling plate thing. So while putting the hood on, we realized this bolt was just a little stripped. So my dad has a like huge bucket of random bolts. So we found a replacement. All we need to do is paint that one and it should be all good to go. Guys, if you haven't invested in one of these yet, California brushes, definitely do. Because I kind of wiped a little bit here, but check this out. Just takes all the dust off. And this car, obviously, if you guys remember, hasn't started and has just been sitting here. Just wipe all the dust away. Figured I'll show you guys on a dirty car. So a little update right now. I don't think I'm ever gonna drive this car. So what we're doing is we have like a little thing here of like little nuts, and we're putting the nuts behind the bolt so it, you know, it bolts on. But this here is so hard to get to, if you guys can see. I don't know if you guys could see that. It's hard to get your hand underneath here, underneath this whole plate thing, hold the nut while you tighten it on. It's just a little bit of a bitch, and we had to take out part of the intake to get more clearance for our hand to go underneath. We're almost done, we're almost there. But it does look like I need a new air filter. So that may be soon. What do you do to your hand? You got a tape, like a double-sided tape. You're gonna slip it through. Oh, that's smart. So you don't have to like balance it on your finger. Alright, so everything in the engine bay is all bolted up. Now we're gonna take Ariana to another car meet. If you guys remember from like last season's vlogs, every Sunday there is a car meet called Unrestricted Empire, and we always go there to hang out and chill. This is gonna be her first meet this season, so we're gonna have a good time. This thing is unreal. JDM Evo 7 legal in Canada. So minty. Oh, it's so nice. This kind of looks like a 240Z, if you guys know the difference between the two. I thought the 280Z was a little bit boxier, but I could be wrong. Nonetheless, it looks so good. Alright guys, so I'm just making it home right now. Car meet was really fun. I'm super pumped that, you know, the car season's starting here in Winnipeg again. I'm so hyped to be driving Ariana. Like, it feels like it's been away from the channel for a while already, just because of, you know, winter and I had to store it and stuff like that. I did have videos in between, but it never really felt the same since I couldn't drive it. But nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and join the Annie Perfect Society. Peace out, and make it happen.